What we can see here is the new trend, integrated parts. They reduce material consumption, assembly steps and complexity for a faster car production. We see this in aluminium with the big high-pressure die-cast parts, but also in steel with press-hardened material. Our partner ArcelorMittal is the leading company at Steel Solutions with their multi-part integration products. This dashboard panel, consisting out of 2 parts, is one of the latest developments of ArcelorMittal. To integrate this part into the car body structure, its contour has to be trimmed and several holes have to be cut. Due to the hardness of the material, the laser is the only tool which can do this efficiently. So let's see how it works. This 5-axis controlled cutting machine is called True Laser Cell 8030. It is powered by a TRUMPF fiber laser source and available as a standard turnkey system. For cutting of 3-dimensional press-hardened parts, it is the best solution as accuracy and reliability unbeatable. No other solution can provide such a good all-over equipment efficiency and process speed. That's the reason why TRUMPF, with more than 2,000 installed machines, is the world market leader at this application.
Experience the power of less with ArcelorMittal multi-part integration.